What's going on, guys? Mace the Barber making a return. I'll be bringing you guys some vlogs, what it feels like, how it is to be a barber in Montreal during this whole virus thing. So it's not as fun as it used to be, but it's still a pretty cool job. So yeah, I'm headed to the barber shop right now. There's gonna be a class going on. I'm gonna help out with that. And then I have an appointment right now. I'm a little late, so let's get to it.
And then go more
like a
on the head.
But if I'm going on my wrist, it's gonna come out.
It's not even a wrist, it's a feel of how.
I tried switching up on Mason once, learned my lesson, never again. That's it, that's all I gotta say. I love you, Mason.
You already know, I killed the cut. I need you to talk to my vlog, tell them what you think.
Alright, let me speak to the vlog, Alright boys, this is the gut, this is what Mason did for me today.
Give him a 360.
Quick 360.
Ooh.
Looking fresh for the ladies. Mason always got me covered for that. This is the best barber in Montreal right there. Show him yourself.
Yes, sir.
There you go, brother.
Yes, sir.
There you go. Don't forget to subscribe, huh?
Alright, so quiet Monday today. Only had 2 cuts. What time is it? It's 4 o'clock now. Usually we close at 7, but it's a Monday, and because of the lockdown and shit, I doubt there's gonna be any walk-in, so I think I'm gonna go home now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go home, do a little workout, and then probably gonna go on a walk with the girlfriend, so you guys will see that later. But yeah, let's go get this workout in. Alright, so back home. So right now in Montreal there's a lockdown, code red happening, so they closed our gyms, but that ain't no problem for your boy. Check it out. Your boy has a home gym, so I'm gonna crush this workout. We'll do a little montage for you, and then yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I hear anyone say anything, yes, I'm only squatting a plate. That's because that's all I have, alright?
I can only help you if you confess. What we do must be
Alright, so what's happening now is I'm done my workout. I ate. So I'm gonna go pick up my girlfriend and then we're gonna go on a little walk. You know, for Thanksgiving, so should be fun.
Hi.
Hello. So that pretty much sums it up for this video. Didn't do too much after a little walk, just chilled. Today wasn't a busy day at all at the barber shop, but not surprised considering the whole lockdown thing going on right now. But hope you guys enjoyed the video anyways. Shout out to the boy Kaya Beats for all the beats in the video. His stuff's gonna be linked in the description, so don't forget to go check him out. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that stuff, because your boy's coming at you with some fire content, no? So yeah, stay tuned. Peace.